If a brother or sister is poorly clothed and lacking in daily food, and one of you says to them, "Go in peace, be warmed and filled," without giving them the things needed for the body, what good is that? James 2, verse 15 and 16. We have an illustration here of mistreatment of the poor, a negative example of the kind of faith that James prohibits, similar to the one we looked at from verse 2 and 3. And this could mean a pattern of behavior observed in the church. So, in this example, we see that this poor believer among them lacked in daily food supply and clothing, and if anyone says to them, "Go in peace, be warmed and filled," without actually providing for their need, James says, what good is that? Expressing good wishes, however well meant, has not profited this needy person. When someone is sick or in need, we could respond by saying we will pray for their need. But besides our prayers for them, we must also act for the need when we can and we should. 1 John 3:18 says, "Let us not love in word or talk, but in deed and in truth." Failure to provide for an obvious need is not good. And it also questions the spiritual state of the person who fails to do it when it is within his capacity to do it. And in the next verse, verse 17, James says, "So also faith by itself, if it does not have works, is dead." Here we have the conclusion of the illustration. When our faith does not result in works, it is not benefiting anyone, and it is a dead faith. James is not comparing faith and works. He is rather comparing a faith that is defective, which produces no works, and a faith that is genuine, the saving faith resulting in works. Have a blessed day.